Meet the shoebill, known for its huge bill that looks like a shoe. This bird is one of the most fascinating creatures in the wild. Fact number 1. Did you know the shoebill's bill can grow up to 9.4 inches long? That's almost the size of your forearm. Fact number 2. This bird is an incredible hunter. With its silent movements, it waits patiently to catch fish, frogs, and even baby crocodiles. Fact number 3. And those eyes? They're intense. The shoebill can see perfectly in the murky waters, tracking its next meal with precision. Fact number 4. Though it's known for its stalking skills, the shoebill can also soar gracefully across the sky.